In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment method in Lucidchart. Let's dive right in and guide you step by step through this process, which is essential for managing your billing information efficiently. First, you're going to want to open your web browser and head over to the Lucidchart homepage. Once you're there, log into your account. This action will take you directly to your Documents page, where you can access all your saved diagrams and projects. It's your main hub, so feel free to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't done so already. To proceed to your account settings, what you'll want to do next is shift your focus to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll spot your account logo. It's typically a small icon that represents your profile. Go ahead and give it a click. You'll notice a drop-down menu appear, and from this menu, you'll need to select the Account Settings option. This area is where all your personal settings and preferences are stored. Now that you're in the account settings, you'll find a tab labeled Plans and Billing. Click on this tab to enter the billing section of your account. This is your go-to spot for all things related to your active plans and payment methods. You can view what plans you're currently subscribed to and manage your billing information with ease through this section. As you explore the billing section, keep an eye out on the right side of the page. There, you'll notice 3 vertical dots next to the listed plan price. These dots are essentially your gateway to more options related to your billing information. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a few further actions you can take. Among these options, you'll see the one labeled Cancel Plan. Go ahead and select this to kickstart the process of removing your payment method. It's important to understand at this point that canceling your plan also means suspending your premium features. So, take a moment to consider if this is what you really want to do. If you're confident about moving forward, simply confirm the cancellation. And just like that, you've successfully removed a payment method in Lucidchart. Not only does doing this help you control your subscription expenses, but it also ensures your payment information remains current and secure. As a final tip, always double-check to verify that you're logged into the correct account and review any changes you make to avoid unintended interruptions in your service or access to your diagrams. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.